Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Facebook posts public. First, open the Facebook app or website and navigate to the What's on Your Mind section. Before typing your post, locate the privacy selector, usually below your name. This selector determines who can see your content. We'll guide you through changing this setting to ensure your message reaches a wider audience. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in your post's reach. To adjust your post's privacy, tap on the current audience setting, which might say Friends or Only Me. A menu will appear with various options. Choose Public to make your post visible to everyone, including people outside your friend list. This setting applies to the specific post you are about to create. Remember, you can always change this setting for future posts or even edit the privacy of past posts. Once you've set your privacy to public, you can proceed to create your post. Type your message, add photos, videos, or even tag friends, just as you normally would. Before hitting post, take a moment to double-check that the privacy setting still shows public. This ensures your content is shared exactly as intended. Then, simply click the post button to share your update with the world. When you make a post public, it means anyone, anywhere, can see it. This includes people who aren't your Facebook friends and even those without a Facebook account. Your public posts can appear in search engine results and be shared widely. It's important to be mindful of the information you share publicly, as it has a much broader reach than posts limited to your friends or specific groups. Share wisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.